Welcome back to another one of my videos. As you saw in the title, we are going to be cleaning my fridge today. It has been a while since I have cleaned the fridge, and as you can see, it badly needs it. So if this is your first time here, hello. I hope you will join our little YouTube family and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are just listening or watching this to get some cleaning motivation, I hope you'll enjoy this video, or just turn it on and clean with me. But let's get on into the video.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
So here I'm just going to be starting by taking everything out of the fridge, because I don't know. For me, I feel like it's easier if I take everything out of the fridge first and then just wipe everything down and then put everything back in. Just let me know in the comments below if you feel the same way.
Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love. Believe in us, no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain.
Well, with the fridge being done, I'm going to go ahead and go over to the freezer and clean it out as well.
Like a piece of art, I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're 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 getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain.
Alright, that is going to be about the end of this video. I hope this gave you motivation to clean your fridge. And again, if this is your first time here, I hope you will start hitting that subscribe button down below and joining our little YouTube family. And I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys.
Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah.